Hey plumbers! As you know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. We truly appreciate it. Follow this journey as I train my two sons in the trade. Going to be a long journey, but well worth it, because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. And for today's journey, CB2 is meeting me at the job. We're going to install a commercial grid pop-up assembly on a lavatory sink. We will see you inside. Good morning, CB.
Good morning.
Good morning, CB.
Good morning.
CB.
Yes.
Good morning. We're going to put in a commercial pop-up assembly. All right, pal. Get her done. On the pedestals?
Yeah.
Take that one off, and we're going to replace it with that.
I don't think it's gonna reach.
I have another extension tailpiece.
Okay.
How's Angelo?
He's good. You delayed the opening for some reason today.
Hold back with your hand on that trap. No. Don't ever grab it with that. Hold back because it's thin metal. If it's old, you don't want it to break. And just, you're going to get water now. Let it empty out. There you go. There you go. Boop.
Just take that hard.
You're going to need a 5.
Do I?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
You're going to try and turn this, right? Because that's threaded in the top of that, right?
Yeah.
You might get lucky. You don't have to hold back. Go ahead, just try and turn it. I'll see if it moves up here. Look up here.
We don't want it to move up there, right?
I've actually had the soles of all these off before. Go ahead, turn it. Let me see what happens down here. Oh, keep going. Oh, what are you doing? Hold that chrome piece with your hand. You might be able to get it. That's what you want. Is it moving in your hand or no?
A little bit, but it's good, Looser.
There you go. See how it goes on?
Yeah.
Clean that up. Grab toilet paper. Clean that up top. That's the best helper you got. Just the chrome part. You ain't got to clean inside. Just where the putty's going to go.
Okay.
Who's the best helper? Oh, the putty's already on there. Oh, look who it is, the best helper. Hold that down while you put that washer up on there. There you go. Yeah. The washer's going to be tough to get on there. Push that black washer all the way up and get that nut started. Working it. Go. Come on. Yeah. Let's go. measuring for the tailpiece. Put the bottom of the trap together. Decent washing. Decent. This is nice. Alright, we'll use it again. Put it together and get a measurement for the tailpiece is what I'm trying to show you. Put that together. You see how much play you got, right? In here. You got some play. That's what I mean when you have play. And don't check it. You see what's trying to happen here, right? Yeah. It goes in here like you have like, you got inch and a half play. So if I get like this, like so, call it 9 3/4, you're good. Because you don't want to push down. You know what I mean? You want to be up like so. Okay. So I'll probably make this. I would make it 9 1/4. Here. 9 1/4. Cut that. We'll Teflon it up. How's that 20 work?
Pretty good. That Teflon right there?
Well,
Should have brought took those other pliers out.
mm-hmm.
Took those other pliers out.
You got to lift up a little bit. There you go. The new trap one looks so boss. Pull that nut up. Let me see the washer. Pull the nut up on me. What's that? Give me your hand. Pull the nut up. Okay. You can push up on that a little bit. Loosen this up. The bottom nut's the most important nut, okay? And once you get the bottom one, then you can slide the other one down. Let me see if I give you a bevel wash, it would be easier. Here you go, try this draw. You can't get it? It looks extra thick. There you go. Now do yourself a favor this time. Hook up, put your trap where it goes on the tailpiece. There you go. You ain't gotta tighten it. Just put it in There you go. Key here. What's the key word?
Cross-thread.
I had the water heater thermostat yesterday.
Yeah.
All plastic. Probably a $300 valve. The key word of the day was don't cross thread that. Snug them up. Don't go crazy on them. And then we can test it. It wasn't in yet. Lift that up. You're getting a little pressure because of the angle of the sink. Get it?
I think so. Oh no. No. That's like not going in evenly.
Which one? Top one?
The back one, bottom one.
Oh. You got it. I get that one on top a little snug. It's because of the pressure from the crookedness of the tailpiece coming down. Give it a rip.
Huh. There's a putty.
Alright, you haven't cleaned up. See. Drippy? There it is. Now, if you have a regular pop-up, you close it
And fill it.
and give it the full flush. That's it. Wipe everything down. Listen, always wipe up here too. Wipe the pipe tip off. Make it look good.
Gotcha.
Keep that sink running because you want to make sure that this doesn't leak. Right here. Just let it run. CB. Pop-up assembly installed. Good work, CB. And normally I would replace that trap, but since it's such a heavy gauge and it's solid, I'm gonna let it ride. This ain't nothing but an employee bathroom, people. Looks good, CB. Did we get her done?
Yeah.
And what is it? What is it?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Come on, give it to us.
No.
Anthony's waiting for it. Anthony,
Send us a video of you doing it. We'll put it in.
there you go. We'll get him. Don't worry, we're gonna get him, Anthony. CB got it done. I think CB, I gotta give CB some breathing room. I'm too worried about filming CB for the channel and letting them flourish. But CB did a fantastic job today under my duressful scoping of his work. So he did a mighty fine job. He's going to get better. I'm going to actually make him do more and more. So Chuck B, you did well.